Hey, word, she's a. Tell that bitch that I don't believe a word, she's a. Word, she's a. Woke up in the morning coolin', what's the word today? She say she love me, well I don't believe a word she say. I keep on ballin' on my ex, Larry Bird today. One beef, pull up to the curb today. Get drunk, then I swerve today. Negative energy, I bet I swerve away. Told you that I get what I deserve today. Yeah, I told you that I get what I deserve. Told her I'm gon' get what I deserve. Hit my phone, baby, what's the word? You bout action, hit 'em with a verb. I'm a ball hard, baby, Cartier. Brand new bitch to match my whip, that bitch from Paris. Heard you got a Ford, you embarrassed. Meanwhile I'm on the Ford, I'll make it there. Heard these niggas rich, well, they be faking, eat it so good I had to grab another plate. Knock my demons out, Mayweather would do featherweight. Talking down to me, that's cool, you may die today. Traumatized today, traumatized today. Think I'm stuck in the days. She gon' be mine just for a day. Get so high, I'm up and away. When I'm coming back, shit, not for some days. Split up, ate the shrooms just to see the universe don't cut it. All these niggas think they rich, but really they don't got no money. Told her I don't walk it, never, baby. All I do is run it. Okay, see, when I got the rock, I'm ballin' like a daughter. Shit on my ex, damn. Feelin' like a plunger, VVS like damn. Cold like Arctic tundra. Told you that I'm not human. Baby, I'm a monster. Chopper on me, kinda human. Heat it up, then launch it. Yeah. Heat it up, don't want it. Percocet, break it down. Different marijuana. Don't smoke this. You get the choking. Seas out stroking. Ay. Freestyle shit. Ay. Probably finna go freestyle yo bitch. Michael Phelps when I hit. Ay. I shoot a movie, no chick flick. Burn a motherfucker like insect. Been a real ninja. Woke up in the morning coolin', what's the word today? She say she love me, well I don't believe a word she say. I keep on ballin' on my ex, Larry Bird today. One beef, pull up to the curb today. Get drunk, then I swerve today. Negative energy, I bet I swerve away. Told you that I get what I deserve today. Yeah, I told you that